Hey guys, Dirt and Rust. I went to the flea market today and here's a few items that I picked up. First of all, I got this HA Muckles Buggy wrench from St. Paul. 310 marked on the back. Really cool looking wrench, old wrench. I got it for $2. And I was pretty happy with it. That's a cool find right there for me. I looked up this company and they started in $18.99, so that's an antique there for $2. Can't beat that. I got a looks to be vintage conduit bender. This is SD on there. And some other writing I can't quite make out. There would be a pole that would go through here. Okay, I got this fishing knife for $3. And it's made in Japan. Stainless steel Japan. Wood handle. Can opener on the side, scaler. And whatever that is on the end. Double pointed end. Okay. Then I got this tool along with that one right here for $3 for the both. Honestly, I didn't know what either of these were. I picked them up because I didn't know what they were. So if you guys know what this was used for, you can let me know. Interesting tool. And then this was a KD number 242. I did look it up, and it's a boot clamp plier. And I'm not even sure exactly what that means. But yeah, that's what they are. Boot clamp pliers. But they're cool. Alright. Next, I just got a little bunch of keys for 50 cents. Some of them say, like these say Imperial on them. And I was wondering if it had anything to do with the knife company Imperial. Not sure. I always pick up keys, try to get some old ones. This Hudson's a little bit older key. Not sure about those flat keys. I mean, I know they're older, but not antique. I don't know. And this Master Lock key looks a bit older too. But I always pick up keys if I can get them cheap. So that was my haul. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.